Hello everyone and welcome back to the OSINT series. Today particularly we are looking at how you can find information about a person, specifically about a person only. If you just have a picture of a person only, so how are you actually going to find it? So we have multiple tactics for this. Okay, so for that, let me share my screen first. Okay, and there are multiple techniques and tactics to find particular information about any person. Like you can see the metadata also, if they are hiding something, the location for that particular person, the mobile devices they might have had. Okay, so let me share the screen quickly, and then we will be talking. So yeah, here you have the scene. So this is the Manish sir. Okay, we just have the picture, the photograph of Manish sir right now, and we just have to find the information about this particular person. Particularly, if you do not know about any person, this is how you can find. So we just have the picture, okay, of Manish sir. This looks like the wedding outfit or something like that, and background is looking like a hotel because in the previous video we looked at the differences in the background. So we have the suitcase over here, the towel. Okay, so this is how you can start finding information about anyone. Look at the background also, look at the things that are happening, the lightning. So we cannot detect the lightning, it is inside the room, but the picture is kind of clear. The watch that guy, the sir, is wearing, and the bracelet. Okay, the amount of suit the sir is wearing, we can get to know more about the traditional outfit also. So we can narrow down the OSINT purpose, where the person might have been on a particular date or something like that. Okay, so this is how you can start finding. So let me start with this particular thing. Okay, so before moving ahead, just give me a second. Okay, so we are just back. So just for example, if we have this image only, I do not know about the person. Okay, I do not know nothing. I know nothing about this person. So what I will start with. So let's say what I can do. I would go to my Kali. There are multiple tools that you have. So currently the image that I have saved is okay, is named as Manish sir because he is the person I know. Okay, so let us start the Kali and let me list all. So currently we have the Manish sir name file. So what am I going to do? I am going to use exif tool. Okay, and the file name manishsir.jpg. And if the mobile data was compromised, not sorry, not compromised, but leaking the metadata, we might get a kind of information more about the mobile, the phone that might be sir using. Okay, so currently we can see the data over here. This is the basics that I have shown you in the past one. The file might have not been tempered. The timing that sir might have taken the image picture. Okay, so it was near the afternoon. Okay, on the date. So currently we are not getting much more of thing. This is the saved screenshot basically. The profile date time. Okay, so the profile date time, you can see the timing has been changed or tempered. So CMM flags are not embedded and independent like things. This is directly downloaded from the WhatsApp. So this might be something like that. So what you can do, you can also use AI, but you can also try to find more information about this. I prefer to use AI because AI is beginning to be part of the day-to-day life. Okay, as you can see, profile copyright is also Google. So I what I would go with, I would copy this particular text and I would go to any particular browser. I would go to google.com. I know this is google.com, but basically you start with Google because Google has a lot of data and most of that is what you have given to them. So what I will do, I would go with the AI mode. Okay, to get the information about this, you can use other AI engines also uh, to get the data, but I am using Google just because it has a lot of data. So get me all the particular information about this all uh, deeper investigation. Okay, you need to keep on role playing and things like that so that Google do not break in between or something like that. So now let us get to another. So we have got the creator was like Google company, the software embedding the no credential return in meta. Okay, breakdown image. We have the metrics for the color columns. Okay, we had the gamut. The it is a color primary boundaries that is set over here. Okay, and tone reproduction curves. So forensic investigation currently not tempered anything as I said. So let us go back again to google.com again, because Google has most of the database. So if I want to particularly find about someone, here is a lens function. So what am I going to do? I would click this and okay. Is there anything specifically we are getting? No, we are not getting, but the image size we have. So what am I going to do? I will upload a particular file. I would uh, we have the Manish sir image. And if I put this over here, Google will try to fetch as much as information about person, because okay, so the particular you can see Mandarin collar, long sleeve Jodhpuri jacket and all, but it is not yet finding. So what you can try? Currently, we do not have much information about the person. So who is the person? Or you can also do a reverse image search. Okay, so currently we are not getting. There might be an issue in AI or search by image filter. But so what you can do now? So we will do reverse image search as we did in the previous videos. So let's open images.google.com and duplicchecker.com. There are multiple websites that you can try to search for. Even you can try any AI specific agents. So what am I going to do? I will upload the image over here. We can use also duplicchecker.com again. And I don't think this will work because in the previous one it did not work the way we intended it to be, but still we will try directly. Yeah, so here we are. We can try. Let's browse this one. Hmm. So let us upload the image directly in here. You have the extension also. Let me show you one of the thing that you can, you could be using directly. It is taking a lot of time. Okay, so here we are. I am uploading the image for this person. If I do not know about Manish sir, I will do browse again and similar thing. And I would do search similar images, search similar faces. So I would go with search images for the particular faces. Okay. So I will agree and I will do perform search. And I would do it same with Google, but Google is taking a lot of time, and the reversely.ai is also working. Okay, let's wait for Google to go on. But this is how you can start to find. Okay, the reversely AI is also working on the back end. So captcha verification just failed. We can try different. Currently Google images are also not working properly. But this is how you can perform reverse image. Okay. So let me reload this particular. The page is working well. So let us upload the image again into the new page. So let's see what we get about this. And over here also pickdetective.com. There are multiple tools you can use. Currently, most of the time you use image search by Google. Okay, so it has started now. And reversely AI is verifying. Okay, so let's do for the best match. Okay. Yeah, currently we are not getting anything yet, but this is how you can do the image search. Okay. Mm, exact matches, visual matches. So it is verifying. Okay, so no exact matches found. Okay, so currently there is nothing much about Manish sir on online over here, but this is how you can search particularly about a person. Okay, even over here we do not have much more things, but this is how you can use more of the AI and do OSINT particularly about a human only. Okay. Uh, Okay, so currently it is directly the person featured in the image is M. Kumar Manish sir, as I told, the CEO and Chief Engineer at VIEH Group. So now this is how you start to find the normal to normal information. Okay, sometimes you also get account. You can see the M. Kumar Manish sir Instagram account also. You can see the Jodhpuri or Bangala style jacket. Okay, Band Gala style jacket. Okay, so currently this is the uh, user ID. So this is how you can find particularly about any human. You can use Google AI, you can use Reversely, and you can also use these tools. But this most of the tools you are seeing ask for prices, and then they because they are particularly using someone's data, and that is the main reason. So this was it for the human intelligence for in OSINT. See you in next one.